Hi, I'm Elise from the CosBond workshop. Now that the base of Astrid's axe is finished, I'm going to begin adding all of the details. First thing we're going to do is stain the wood handle. Take a rag, get a bit of stain on it, and rub the stain into the wood. Wipe off any excess stain and continue adding layers until you're satisfied with the color. Once the stain is dry, we'll add the hilt of the handle. For this, I use a 2-part epoxy-sculpt. You take equal parts epoxy-sculpt, mix them well, and begin adding it to your handle. I used water to smooth out the sculpt and a pencil to add in the little details. Next, I made the teeth details to add on later with CosBond attach and build. While that's drying, we can make the axe stop. I made the core of the stop by layering aluminum foil into a ball. I then covered the foil ball with more epoxy-sculpt. This kept the handmade look that I wanted. Once it dried, I added a little square of Worbla to the bottom so I could adhere it onto the axe head. I cut out a small square of CosBond attach and build to add to the Worbla to make it extra strong. I then heated up the Worbla, placed the attach and build on it, and then adhered the stop to the axe. We can now begin making all the foam leather straps for the axe. To make this next step quick and easy, I put CosBond attach and build all over the back of my craft foam sheet. Then I marked and measured my strips and cut them out. I sprayed all my strips with Plasti-Dip to give them a nice coating. Once they're dry, we can simply peel the release paper and stick them to our axe. I sprayed the remainder of my axe head with a few layers of Plasti-Dip. When that dried, I could add in all the little googly eyes to mimic the look of screw heads. Now we can add in all the little fur details. I painted the hilt before I added the fur so I wouldn't get any paint on my fur. To cut fur, bury your scissors into it so you don't cut the fibers. Cut a small strip of attach and build, peel the back, and stick it to your fur. Then peel the release paper side and begin sticking your fur to the edge of the foam strips. Now that we've added the fur, we can begin adding these little teeth details. I made sure to paint these before I put these on as well. Trace your detail onto some CosBond attach and build, and then cut the attach and build out. Peel it, stick it to your detail, and then move some fur aside and stick the detail to your hilt. Now that we're done with all the detail of this axe, in the next video we can begin painting and weathering the axe to make it look more realistic. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.